Section 8.6 is dealing with the order of operations using sign numbers. Well, the order of operations is the order of operations. That's not going to change at all. It's still going to be brackets, then exponents, times and division, and then plus and minus in that order. So we haven't done anything new here other than introduce sign numbers. So again, we just kind of go slow and easy. So I've just picked some random examples of some different things to make sure we've got this down. So we're working straight across, remember. So we're looking for brackets or exponents. We don't have any. These are just parentheses because it's right next to multiplication. This is what that means if we have a number next to it, either front or behind. It's the same. I picked one that had a behind because you don't always see it that way. So we do that first. So 6 times 8 is going to be 48. It's going to be minus, okay? And then we haven't done anything with the divide by 3 at this point. So 48 times divided by 3 is going to give us 16. And how many signs? 1, correct. So we have minus 16. Well, we do have brackets here on this particular problem. And so we need to take each bracket by itself. So 3 take away 5. So we have a 3 and minus 5. So we use our rules. Smaller one from the bigger one. Keep the bigger one signed. So that's going to be minus 2 in that bracket. 6 take away 10. Again, we have a 6 and a minus 10. So smaller one from the bigger one. Keep the bigger one signed. It's going to be minus 4. So we've taken care of the insides of the brackets. Now we do our multiplication. So 2 times 4 is 8. 2 signs is going to be positive. Okay, so when we see these brackets, do whatever inside first, get its answer, and then do the multiplication, because remember brackets before anything else. This one I like because we have an exponent. So this one says minus 2 times minus 2. Subtract 4 on the outside of a negative 2. So I rewrote this problem taking care of the exponent into elongated form here. Need to do that first. So minus 2 times minus 2 is going to give us a positive 4, correct? I'm going to write the sign just so we don't lose track. And we haven't done anything with this. So we're just going to kind of drop it down. So we took care of the exponent first. Go back and do the multiplication. So we have 4 times negative 2. This is a subtraction sign, so we're going to wait on that. So 4 times negative 2 gives me negative 8. So we have 4 take away, because I didn't do anything with this sign yet. I just dealt with this part of the problem, because that's the multiplication. Okay, now I've got a minus and a minus. Remember what we do with those. Minus times a minus, or a minus subtract a minus gives us a plus, correct? Which gives us a total answer of 12. All right? Another exponent 1, and these are slightly different in how we look at that. This is a subtract 2 to the third. So 2 to the third would be 2 times 2 times 2. That's our exponent. Okay, then minus 2 isn't in the brackets, so that's to be different. So this is 2 times 2 times 2, and I got 3 of them. Gives me an 8 with the minus in front, or the subtraction. Minus, and this is that I have 3 brackets of minus 2. See how those are different? This tells me I have 3 of whatever's in the bracket. This one I have the opposite of 2 to the third. So 2 to the third is 8, so this would be a minus 8. So minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2, or 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. How many signs? 3. Okay, so I have minus 8 minus minus 8. That's a rewrite. Well, the minus, could I just drop this one down over here? Didn't do anything with that. So minus a minus is going to give me a plus, so I have minus 8 plus 8. That's minus a minus is going to give me that plus, remember? Which will cancel everything out, and I get 0. The writer had fun with this one, because he just got lots of numbers in there all multiplied together. So, again, we don't have any exponents. All these are parentheses, basically, for just multiplication. So we don't have any true exponents or brackets, so we're just going to multiply straight across. So 3 times 2 times 3 gives me 18. And 1, 2, 3 signs is minus 18. Didn't do anything with that sign, so I'm going to drop it down. Minus 4 times minus 3 is positive 12. Put that in the bracket there. Didn't do anything with this sign because that's a subtraction. 3 times 5 is minus 15. Okay. So now basically I have minus 18 minus 12 as we're going across here. It gives me a total of minus 30. Because the signs are the same, we add them up. And a minus is a plus. We're going to take care of that sign there. Gives me a total of, well, we have to subtract the smaller one from the bigger one, remember. Gives me a minus 15. So I owe 30, I pay 15 back, I still owe 15. Well, I wanted to pick one really fun one off the next page, so I grabbed one and copied it down there. And this is lots of good stuff in this one. So again, you just kind of take these slow and easy, and so I wanted to kind of do one with you to kind of show you how it's dealt with. Okay, these are large brackets. That means I got to do everything in there first, and then I'm going to cube that answer. So I have minus 4 squared. So that's minus 4 times minus 4 gives me a positive 16. And so that's going to, we've taken care of that part now. All right. 3 times 16, because I need to do the multiplication first. It's going to give me 48, so I have 46, subtract 48. And now since I have a positive 46 and a negative 48, smaller one from the bigger one, keep the bigger one sign. And I still have this cubed out there. Haven't done anything with. So now I need to fix the cube. So I have minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, and it's going to be negative because I have 3 signs. Okay, this sign drops down, so I've taken care of this sign because that's where that goes. Now I need to deal with this bracket. Okay, well, 1 to the third, 1 times 1 times 1 is still going to give me 1. Times negative 7 is going to give me negative 7. And then I'm going to add negative 5 times negative 8 gives me positive 40. Correct. Okay, now I have a difference of sign. I have minus 7 plus 40, so I take the smaller one from the bigger one, keep the bigger one sign. It's going to give me 33. So then I'm dropping that bracket down to here. So now I have minus 8 minus 33 gives me a total of minus 41. Signs are the same, add them up. Okay, even though they look really kind of intimidating, they're not bad if we just go slow and easy, do one step at a time, and just keep working down and then bring everything else down with it. So whatever's in the big bracket's got to be done first, then deal with any exponents on the outside. Just go slow and easy, and have fun with the homework.